Section 10(13)(a) of the Income Tax Act 1961, House Rent Allowance. House Rent Allowance. The House Rent Allowance, also called HRA, is an important component of the salary that is paid by employers for meeting the accommodation requirements of employees. The limits for the purposes of Section 10(13)(a) as per Rule 2A of Income Tax Rules 1962, the deduction will be least of the following. That is, the actual HRA received by the employee from his company, the actual rent paid by him less 10% of his salary, or an amount equal to 50% of his salary if the accommodation is situated in Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata or Chennai. Else it will be 40% of the salary. Now salary is basic salary plus dearness allowance. This is as per clause H of Rule 2 of Part A of the 4th schedule. Let us understand it with the help of an example. Mr. A is an employee of the company based in Mumbai. Following are his details. Salary per month is rupees 50,000. Dearness allowance per month is rupees 20,000. Actual rent paid by him per month is rupees 20,000. HRA received from the employer is rupees 2,50,000 per annum. Now calculate HRA exempt from tax as per Section 10(13)(a) of for financial year 22-23. Now HRA exempt under Section 10(13)(a) is least of the following. The actual HRA received, that is rupees 2,50,000. Actual rent paid is rupees 2,40,000 less 10% of his salary, which will be 2,40,000 minus 84,000, that is 1,56,000, or 50% of his salary, since the company is based in Mumbai and the accommodation is provided in Mumbai. So 50% of his salary will become 4,20,000. So the HRA exempt will be the least of the above three, that is 1,56,000. So the taxable HRA is the actual HRA which he received, that is 2,50,000 minus 1,56,000, that is rupees 94,000 will be the taxable HRA. One more example where he receives HRA from more than one employer. Now Mr. A is employed with XYZ Limited in Mumbai. His salary details are as under. The monthly salary is rupees 20,000 from April to October. The HRA received is rupees 1,20,000 till October. Actual rent paid is rupees 10,000 per month. From November 22, he joins PQR Limited in Jaipur, where his monthly salary is rupees 25,000. The HRA received is rupees 90,000 from October to March. Now you have to calculate the HRA exempt under Section 10(13)(a) for the financial year 22-23. Here let us see in the case of XYZ Limited, which is in Mumbai, for 7 months what will be the HRA which is exempt from tax. So this will be the least of the following. The actual HRA received, that is 1,20,000. Actual rent paid less 10% of the salary will be 70,000 minus 10% of 20,000 for 7 months, that will be 56,000, and 50% of his salary, since it is in Mumbai, so it will be 70,000. So HRA exempt from tax is least of the above three, that will be 56,000. So the HRA taxable is 1,20,000 minus 56,000 is 64,000. Now in PQR Limited, which is situated in Jaipur, we have to take the HRA for 5 months. So that will be the least of the following. Actual HRA received is 90,000 per annum. That is for 5 months. Actual rent paid less 10% of the salary will become 37,500, and here we will take 40% of the salary, since the company and the accommodation is in Jaipur. So it comes to 50,000. So HRA exempt from tax will be the least of the above three, that is 37,500 and HRA taxable will be 90,000 minus 37,500, that is 52,500. So for Mr. A, for the financial year 22-23, HRA exempt will be 56,000 plus 37,500, that is 93,500, and HRA taxable will be 64,000 plus 52,500, that is 1,16,500. Section 10(13)(a) is not applicable in the following cases. The residential accommodation occupied by the assessee is owned by him. If the assessee owns the accommodation, he does not have to pay any rent and hence cannot claim a deduction under Section 10(13)(a). The assessee has not actually incurred expenditure on payment of rent by whatever name called in respect of the residential accommodation occupied by him. The tax exemption of house rent allowance is not available in case the assessee chooses the new tax regime from financial year 2021, that is assessment year 21-22. Thank you. If you like the video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel.